Emma and Taylor. What's new with you?
Hey Alex, I'm good.
I have a regular job now. So I'm busy. How about you, Taylor?
I'm doing well, thanks. I started selling things online. So I work whenever I want. I check my emails and orders after I wake up.
That's cool, Taylor. I'm still a fitness coach. Work out with people early in the morning. And plan my day in the afternoon.
But me, I rush in the morning. I exercise a little, then go to work. I have lots of meetings and work to do.
You're very organized, Emma.
I take a break in the morning to relax. Then I work on selling more online.
Relaxing sounds good. I might try it. After I train people, I eat a big meal and go for a run.
You're always moving, Alex. I only walk a little at lunch. But I make sure to leave work by 6 p.m. to relax at home.
That's good, Emma.
I finish work in the afternoon and read or talk to friends in the evening.
I relax at night too. I stretch, eat dinner, and sometimes watch TV.
It looks like we all have our own ways.
It's about balancing everything, right?
Yes, we try to use our time well. Whether for work, exercise, or fun.
Agree. Let's meet again soon. And maybe try doing what the others do for a day.
That sounds fun. It'll be interesting. To see what it's like for each of us.
I'm in. It'll be a new experience. See you both soon.